Hi, so I'm coming to you today from the kitchen. Over the last few weeks our fridge has gotten a little bit messy, so I thought I would just do a cleaning up video. Tomorrow's also garbage day, so that'd be a great time to empty out anything that's getting kind of old or not going to get eaten. And then I've got some fruit that I'm going to cut up and I'm going to put in there, so I'd like it to be organized so that there's room to put that fruit. Let's go. Yeah, it's a little bit messy. So I'm probably going to leave everything in the door the way it is. This is garbage. There was a great deal on eggs the other day, so we got a few. Right here I'm just storing some of my onion bulbs. I want to keep them cool until I'm ready to plant them. I've also got some flower bulbs, so I've got for a bee garden, and I've got some for a butterfly garden. Okay. Eggs. More eggs. I'm just putting everything on the stove off to the side for now, and then I can put it all back in after. Cat food. And actually, I think I'm going to got some yolk here for dogs. And I think I'm just going to put them in and get rid of the packaging. Now there's only 4 eggs left in this, so I think I'm just going to put them on top. And because I'm in the process of starting my seeds, I'm going to save this. It will be useful. Put my seeds back in. It looks like we still have about 3 feet of snow outside, so there's still a little bit before I can put those out. My husband's favorite creamer is hazelnut. That was also on sale. And I like caramel. This one isn't open yet. Okay. So that's some hot dog buns. This week we're going to have some honey garlic meatballs. I have some hamburger meat here still. I've also got some chicken thighs. And some boneless chicken breasts. I've got some rice here I made a couple days ago. This is still good. I had some for lunch today, and I'll probably have some for lunch tomorrow, and that'll be that. This is my rendered pork lard. I also pour my bacon drippings in there. So this applesauce has been open for a little while now. Oops, sorry, you can't see that. But there's nothing growing on it, and it still smells good. I think maybe I'll have some of that for a snack tonight, and then we can finish that up. I got some smoked fish here that should still be good. It was frozen, but I did take it out. Iced tea, milk. I'm going to put those there. And this. This will just make a nice snack as well. Okay. And okay. So it's already looking a lot better just by moving things around. I got some vegetables on sale this week, so I did want to go and chop them all up just to make it easier for when I go to cook. So we're going to do some peppers. Mushrooms I'm going to leave whole, just because I find when I slice them they tend to go bad a lot quicker. And I'm actually going to dice up the rest of these onions as well. So I have a half a tomato in here, and I've got 2 tomatoes over there, and I thought I would just slice those, that way they'd be ready for sandwiches. We can just make a quick sandwich. I'm also going to slice up this cheese, which was also on sale. I'm currently just buying things on sale because food's getting a little bit expensive. And actually what I've noticed is I grabbed the wrong cheese. So this is Mexican Fiesta Marble Jalapeno Cheddar. I thought it was just marble. I'll like this cheese, but Andy probably won't. I did buy another one. I'm hoping it's just regular cheese. Oh no, it's the same thing. Okay. I'll have to go back to the store and get regular cheese. But I am going to cut this up into chunks. That way it'll be ready. We can have it with cheese and crackers. We can put it on our sandwiches. Whatever we need it for. I've got wraps. The lettuce. So I took the bottoms off the lettuce because I wanted to start to grow more lettuce. So you can start lettuce from the root. And I actually just got them up here. Don't know if you can see that. But I just got them sitting in a little bit of water, and I just did that yesterday, so you're not going to see anything really started yet. In a few days we should start seeing some stuff started. I also wanted to check this cheese. So I have some shredded mozzarella here that I had shredded a whole bunch of. I'm going to actually put this into a smaller container, and then I'll be able to clean this bigger container and put something else in it. We're probably going to have this on our meatball subs tonight. Okay, I think that's all for cleaning and organizing. It doesn't look too bad in there now. So we're going to move over to the table and we're going to start cutting some stuff up.